Today's date and time on my iPhone 14 Pro. In this video, we're going to take a ride on the elevator here at the Manitowoc Public Library in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. It's Otis Series 1. And it's right here. Let's go to Of course, this is the rear door. It's going to open up on this side. Okay, I thought there was no sensors since they had these messages up, but I guess they do it, just for the hell of it, or just ensure safety, I guess. Anyways, we'll go down the one and get our cab view. Basic Series 1 for a library. There's a directional lantern right there. Barely seems to work. Well, actually, I think it's completely burnt out. There's your inspection certificate there. There's your indicator, fire controls, instructions on how to operate this elevator and fire service. And a message reminding you that this rear door is what serves this. That this rear door serves the second floor. In case somehow you got in someone's coming in. There are your buttons, your phone. One done? Actually, I probably should have asked if you're coming in, since down's the only way you can go.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Sure, no problem. Alright, let's watch this close up. There it goes. And that's it.